Good morning, students. See, in the last class, we were discussing about the preparation of alcohols. In that, already we have seen preparation of alcohols by the catalytic hydration of alkenes and hydroboration oxidation of propane. And after that, we have seen by the reduction of carbonyl compounds, that is, aldehydes are reduced to primary alcohols and ketones are reduced to secondary alcohols. That already we have studied. Now let us come to reduction of carboxylic acids into alcohols. That is, by the reduction of carboxylic acids. On reduction of carboxylic acids by lithium aluminum hydride LiAlH4 alcohols are formed in better yield. See, ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಒಳಗ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಪ್ರಮಾಣದಾಗ ನಮಗೇನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರ ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ಸ್ ತಯಾರಾಗ್ತಾವ. See, COOH reduction using lithium aluminum hydride. So what we are going to get are CH2OH plus H2 plus H2. But lithium aluminum hydride is a costly reagent. So it is used for the preparation of some special chemicals only. See, instead of that, the carboxylic acids are first converted into esters which on catalytic hydrogenation give alcohols. See, general reaction we can see. First, RCOH, carboxylic acid, carboxylic acid. This carboxylic acid on treatment with alcohol R-OH in the presence of H2O. See what we are going to get: RCOO R-, ester, ester. This ester on catalytic hydrogenation. You have to pass hydrogen gas in the presence of catalyst. So that is what we call it as catalytic hydrogenation. So what we are going to get? We are going to get RCH2OH plus R-OH. RCH2H plus R-OH. So, two molecules of alcohol, we are going to get alcohol, and this R-OH, which was first utilized or used in the reaction, is again regenerated. So, again, here we have got a new molecule of alcohol. New molecule of alcohol. Is it right? This is what we call as a reduction of carboxylic acids into alcohols. Now, next is third one. From Grignard reagents. See, while discussing haloalkanes and haloarenes, I have told about the synthetic applications of this Grignard reagents. These Grignard reagents are used to prepare any type of organic compound. We can prepare haloalkanes, haloarenes, we can prepare alcohols, phenols, ethers, we can prepare aldehydes, ketones, carboxylic acids. So, whatever will be the class of compound, organic compound, that can be prepared by using these Grignard reagents. So, therefore, these are also called as synthetic reagents. Is it clear? Now, see how we are going to prepare these alcohols from Grignard reagents. Suppose, if you make use of formaldehyde, we are going to get the first type of alcohol, that is ethanol, and by using acetaldehyde we are going to get propanol, and if we make use of ketones we are going to get tertiary alcohols. We are going to get tertiary alcohols. See, first carbonyl group, you can show it like this one, carbonyl group, C double bond O, carbonyl group. Either it may be aldehyde or ketone, carbonyl group, carbonyl group. Then let me take RMGX as Grignard reagent. This reagent molecule is added across the carbonyl group to form an intermediate addition product. See, this is the intermediate addition product. Let me write it like this one. Carbon, two empty valencies I have shown here. Then R, because this carbonyl carbon atom is electropositive, because it is attached to more electronegative oxygen atom, and this R means, say, either it may be CS3 group or it may be C2H5 group, whatever it may be. See, which is attached to magnesium, this carbon atom becomes more electronegative. So the more electronegative carbon atom of this R group will get attached to the electropositive carbon atom of the carbonyl group, and this MgX will get attached to oxygen atom. Thereby we are going to get OMgX. See, this is the intermediate addition product. Intermediate addition product. Addition product, or we call it as adduct. Addition product is also called as adduct. This addition product on hydrolysis, acid catalyzed hydrolysis, H2O in the presence of H plus. H2O in the presence of H plus. So what will happen? A molecule of water is added across this OMgX, forming, see, this OH and CH and OH. See, we are going to get R C OH plus MgOH X. See, this is the alcohol we have got. This is general reaction. This is general reaction. Addition of this Grignard reagent across the carbonyl group, that is carbon oxygen double bond, forming an addition product. This addition product on hydrolysis, acid hydrolysis, gives alcohol. Now let us see the particular examples in this case. Suppose if we make use of the formaldehyde, we are going to get ethanol using this methyl magnesium bromide as the alcohol, Grignard reagent, and if we make use of aldehyde other than formaldehyde, we are going to get a secondary alcohol, and if we make use of ketone, we are going to get tertiary alcohol. So, let us see. Only formaldehyde gives primary alcohol. Only formaldehyde gives primary alcohol. And aldehyde other than formaldehyde, they form secondary alcohols. And if we make use of ketone, we are going to get tertiary alcohols. See, let us see the examples. H, CH, double bond O, that is methanol, NaL, methanol, or formaldehyde, plus suppose if you make use of CS3, MgBr, methyl magnesium bromide as the Grignard reagent. So what we are going to get? We are going to get the first addition product. So let me write it in this way. CS3, this one, this CS3 will get attached to carbon atom of the carbonyl group. Then, and this carbonyl carbon atom is having 2 hydrogens. So therefore CH2, CH3, CH2. Then this will get attached to OMgBr. This is the addition product. Adduct. Let me write here. Adduct. Then acid hydrolysis of this addition product H2O in the presence of H plus. So what we are going to get? We are going to get CS3 CH2OH plus MgBrOH. And this is what? This is ethanol or primary alcohol. See, if you change this alkyl group C2H5, we are going to get propane 1-ol. If you change CS3, CH2, CH2, propyl group, we are going to get butane 1-ol. Like that, we are going to get only primary alcohols. This is a primary alcohol. Primary alcohol. Is it right? Primary alcohol. And suppose if you make use of the compound aldehyde CS3 CH double bond O. This is acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde or ethanol, or you may write UPAC name ethanol, NaL. Then if you make to react it with again CS3 MgBr, Grignard reagent, methyl magnesium bromide. So once again we are going to get what? Addition product. Addition product is C. Already one CS3 is here, and this CS3 will get attached to this one. So therefore CH3, then hydrogen atom is there on this carbon atom. Then this carbon oxygen double bond now becomes a single bond O. Then this MgBr will get attached to this oxygen. So addition product, adapt. Now, as I have told, hydrolysis H2O in the presence of H plus. So what we are going to get? CS3 CH CS3, this carbon methyl group I have taken over there, then OH plus what? MgBr OH. MgBr OH. And what it is? It is a secondary alcohol, that is propane 2-ol. Propane 2-ol. Last one. So when you make use of ketone, for example, if you take the first member of ketone, that is acetone or propanone, and that gives the tertiary butyl alcohol as a product. Alcohol. See, let me make use of ketone now. So when ketone is used or made to react with Grignard reagent, we are going to get additional product which of tertiary alcohol. Tertiary alcohol. See, acetone CS3 C double bond O CS3. See, acetone is CH3 C double bond O CS3. Acetone or propanone. Acetone or propanone plus methyl magnesium bromide, that is CH3 MgBr, Grignard reagent, methyl magnesium bromide. First addition product. How we are going to get addition product? CH3 already there, carbon CH3. Then again CH3. So already these two CH3s are there, but the third CH3 is from this Grignard reaction. Now carbon oxygen single bond O MgBr. Is it right? Now complete it. This is an addition product. Addition product. Now hydrolysis. Acid catalyzed hydrolysis H2O in the presence of H plus. So what we are going to get? CS3 CS3, then CS3. Now this will become some OH plus what? MgBr OH. MgBr OH. And this is tertiary Butyl alcohol. Is it right? So, this is what? The preparation of alcohols using Grignard reagents. Is it clear? Now, coming to, in the next class, we will discuss the preparation of phenols. In the next class, let us discuss preparation of phenols. Thank you.